Hey crafty people, in this video we're going to be talking about abbreviation YO, which stands for yarn over. Every single crochet stitch is made with combinations of yarn overs and pulling those yarn overs through loops on your hook or in your work. So it is important you know how to do a proper yarn over and not a yarn under. There is such thing as a yarn under, and it is, generally speaking, a much tighter stitch, and a pattern writer probably would specify that you need to use a yarn under. If it's not specified, it is always, always, always a yarn over. And so I've got this little double crochet stitch. Double crochet is my favorite. It's the fastest. So I will illustrate with this little swatch what a yarn over is. A yarn over is literally you putting yarn on top of your hook from the back of the work to the front. It's not this. This is a yarn under. It's from the back to the front over your hook. So a double crochet is one yarn over into the stitch. Now here a lot of people can be tempted to just grab the yarn and pull it through, but that, my friends, is a yarn under. See how it goes under? And you think it's going over, but it's just under. So once again, from the back to the front, over the top of the stitch, and pull that loop through. And then again, yarn over from the back to the front on top of the hook, pull that through, from the back to the front on top of the hook, and pull that through. That is a YO, yarn over.